Welcome to our lesson on the rules and conventions for naming variables in Dart, an essential aspect for writing clean and readable code. Naming conventions in programming are crucial for code readability, maintenance, and collaboration. Let's explore the rules for naming variables in Dart. In Dart, variable names must follow specific rules. 1. Variable names can begin with a letter, uppercase or lowercase, underscore symbol, or a $sign, dollar symbol. 2. After the initial character, variable names can contain letters, digits, underscores, and dollar signs. 3. Dart is case-sensitive, meaning my variable and my variable are treated as different variables. While Dart allows various naming styles, it's essential to follow conventions for consistency and clarity. Dart typically uses camel case for variable names, starting with a lowercase letter and capitalizing each subsequent word. Following best practices enhances code readability. 1. Use descriptive names that reflect the purpose or meaning of the variable. 2. Avoid using single-letter names unless for simple loop counters. 3. Maintain consistency throughout the codebase by adhering to the established naming conventions. Let's look at examples demonstrating good variable naming practices in Dart. These names are descriptive, following camel case, and provide clear context. Descriptive variable names enhance code understanding. They act as documentation, making the code more readable and understandable for developers. As we conclude, following consistent and meaningful naming conventions is crucial in Dart programming. It promotes clarity, readability, and maintainability of your code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, subscribe to Coder Squad. Happy coding!